Okay, you should have two pieces of paper, one that's blue and one that's green. We're going to start with the green piece of paper that's on cardstock. Okay, you're going to cut on the bold lines. Glue into journal as one piece. Okay, so this piece of paper you're going to cut out to look like this. That's all you're going to do. Just cut around the bold lines. Leave it as one piece. The blue piece of paper that you have, you're going to cut on bold lines and dash lines and then glue on top of the other page. So the blue piece of paper, you're going to cut it out just like you did the green one. Cut it out on the bold lines. Okay, and then I would recommend that you make a fold right here on these words. Make a fold and unfold it, because then you're going to cut on the dash lines. Okay, so you're going to cut out the dash lines, but you're not going to go all the way through because we're going to make a tab that can fold up. So you're going to cut on the dashed line, but not cutting through the words. Okay, so you're going to cut these out. This is still attached. So on your green cardstock, it has the words glue. Put a little strip of glue right here, and then you'll put your blue paper on top. Okay. And you're going to glue your blue paper on top. Okay, and this way we can read what's on the front in blue and flip our tab up and see what is underneath it on green. Okay, so once you get this cut out and glued together, then we're going to start taking some notes on it.